Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to hide phone number on Telegram. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Telegram application in your mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper left. In here, tap on your profile. Once you're here, click on Privacy and Security, then Phone Number. In here, on Who Can See My Phone Number, tap on Nobody. And then at Who Can Find Me by My Number, make sure you tap on or turn on My Contacts. Now wait for Telegram application to finish loading. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.